We'll guide you through how to understand what CodePen is and how to get started with it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to codepen.io on your desktop browser. CodePen is an online code editor and open-source learning environment where you can create and test HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects right in your browser. It's a fantastic platform for developers to showcase work, experiment with code, and learn from others. Once you're on the site, you'll see a navigation bar at the top. If you want to dive right in, click on the Start Coding button. This will take you to the editor where you can see three main panels: HTML, CSS, and JS. These are where you will write your code. As you type, the result appears in real time in the preview pane below. If you're new to coding, you can explore the Pens section, which is a collection of projects from other users. This is a great way to see what others have created and perhaps find inspiration for your own projects. You can also fork existing projects to make your own tweaks and learn by doing. To save your work and access more features, consider creating a free account by clicking the Sign Up button in the top right corner. This will allow you to save your projects, follow other users, and even collaborate on group projects. If you're looking to deepen your learning, check out the blog and documentation sections for tutorials and guides. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.